Hello guys, let's talk about Neuralink and what Elon Musk's demo, the recent demo, means in a very elaborate way. So I'm sure you have seen Elon Musk. If you have not seen, here's the demo. We saw one pig with the Neuralink installed, another pig with the Neuralink installed, but then now it's uninstalled and working fine, and another pig with two Neuralink installed. And we also saw how it's read, how the neural communication is read on a computer. So that's what we saw on the demo, right? Let's talk about what he actually wanted to achieve through the demo. What Elon Musk and the team wanted to achieve through the demo was to show that how easy it is to install a Neuralink in a human body. If you look at it, it's just a coin-shaped device with a little wires like hairs. And if you think about installing it, it's easy. It can be done very precisely by a robot. It can be installed on the top of your skull. And these wires can go as like hair transplant, and it goes in there, and the electrodes communicate with the neural networks, and it's non-intrusive, and it doesn't hurt you or damage any part of your brain, right? That's a very interesting display. You probably saw it. If you haven't, it's on the side. So what was they trying to achieve? They want to make sure that people are comfortable with it, people see it as a tool that helps them. And definitely Neuralink might be able to help you with your situation of paralysis, with strokes, with depression, with other neural diseases, by activating that's not properly activated, and that's malfunctioning. And then Neuralink is an external device that might help you get back certain systems of your body in a smooth flow, right? So that's what they're selling. These guys are selling health, and what they don't want you to know is Neuralink is not only writing stuffs on your brain, but it's extracting data also. So that means the activity in your brain, which we thought was private, is no longer private. Number one. Number two, it opens up a possibility of telepathic experience. Let's say you've never been to Dubai, right? You don't know the language, you don't know anybody out there, right? But then just closing your eyes, linking your thinking to your Neuralink, and collecting the data from somebody in the Neuralink who has been native of Delhi, and then putting back in your system and installing that memory, might be able to have you the experience of living in Delhi when you open your eyes, and you might be in Delhi. It opens up so many possibilities. It opens up the possibility of telepathy. It opens up the possibility of going to Delhi and then it opens up the possibility of learning how to play piano in just like 30 seconds. It's a new tool. It's like we have just explored 0.0001% of what's possible, but it definitely opens up like so many different horizons that human mind is not capable of understanding right now. I mean, we do understand, but then we don't experience it yet. But our children might be able to experience the telepathy, experience the fact that they can learn anything in like super fast way. And we humans, in no time, we already are cyborgs, with our phone and computer. But then once it's installed in your system, we are more enhanced, more smart, and more we are open to more experiences, more opportunities, and a lot of horizon that was not possible back will be possible for our human experience. So it's a tool. It's the future, guys. And if they sell on like health, then people might be able to use it. That's probably their idea, but there are so many things that's possible with Neuralink. So much of danger, especially with the privacy, but also so much of opportunities. So with that said, have a wonderful day, guys. Thank you for watching.